Hi everybody and welcome back to Cozy Corners Crafts, and this time I'm going to tell you how to do the werewolf. So I'm going to show you everything that's going to be in there. You're going to have this, which is the werewolf's body, the werewolf's face, the werewolf's eyes, their werewolves, 3 pieces. You get an orange, a yellow, and a white piece to decorate the front of his cup. Then you are going to get the werewolf's teeth and the werewolf's hands. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do the candy that's on the front of his cup. So let's go to get this done. So first of all, here is the orange candy corn. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this white piece, and again, they are very sticky, and we are going to put it on the top of his candy corn. Sort of like that. If yours is not quite the same, that is okay. Then we're going to take this yellow piece and we're going to stick it right underneath the white piece. So now, does it look like a candy corn? Some people like it, candy corn, and some people don't like it. I like it. So next we're going to put it on the cup. So we're going to take the sticker off the back of this and we're going to put it on, how about here on the front of the cup? See, there we go. Now we're going to take the werewolf's face and let's see, we're going to put his eyes on. There's one eye. There's the second eye. And then here is his mouth. So there's his face. Is he scary? I don't think he's scary. And I'm going to take these little black pieces and I'm going to put it for his ears. There we go. So now we're going to put it on this. And you're actually going to put it on the sticky piece, okay? So we're going to take the white off and we're going to put it on the cup. And we have found out that this is very, very sticky. So we're going to take the cup and we're going to put it so his hands or his arms are going to be at the bottom of the cup, and we're going to take his hands and we're going to go all the way there, and we're going to take this set of hands and they're going to go all the way over there. So he looks like he's holding onto the candy corn. So then now we're going to take his face and we are going to make sure that it fits perfectly on the upright piece. Well, I guess we could have put him a little bit lower down. You can put him a little bit lower down so you don't get sticky on your hands. And then the last thing we're going to do is this piece, which are his hands. So we're going to put this one on this side and this one on this side. Okay, so this is the werewolf one. So I said before on the witch one I did is that you can take and you can put candies in here, or maybe you have something special that you like to put in there, but this is how you make the werewolf. Okay, I hope to see you soon, and we would like to see your crafts. And actually, what do you put inside the cup? Maybe you put rocks? I'm not sure. You'll have to let me know what you're going to put in your cups. We'll talk to you soon, and we'll see you soon on Cozy Corner Stories at 10:30 on Thursday. And right now we're doing Zoom calls, Zoom ones at 10:30. So take a look at our link, and you'll find out when we are going to be doing our stories. And they're all Halloween stories right now. Okay, we'll see you soon. Bye.